I'm gonna try the flyaway style, you know, where I'm gonna fly away all my hair. What people with small hands like me, it would be difficult for you to like grip something big. Oh my gosh, this is so wrong. TNS launched this product. I tried searching a review about it, but there's none. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and hopefully I give a good review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Twinkle Chavez, and today we're going to do a product review of the TNS Blowout Brush. Maybe you've noticed my hair is wet. I dyed it black. I'm so over colored hair. A shout out to TNS for sponsoring this product. They promise to be very transparent in my review for this one. Actually, their new product, and it's out in the market now. This is it. So it's a brush with a blow dry included. It's a heat oval brush, and it has a dryer, and it's a volumizer as well. So this is how it's going to look. Red carpet blowouts at home. Interesting. Faster drying, less damage by drying and volumizing in one step. Less heat-related damage and volumizing for fuller, smoother blowout results. It has a ceramic tourmaline barrel. I already unboxed it actually, the manual. Get a perfect salon blowout at home. So there's the cooling tip, detangling bristles, airflow vents, switch gear off 3, speed 3, heat, swivel power cord. Who reads the manual? Oh my gosh, I used it a few times. Oh, sorry if it has some hair. So this is how it looks. So this brush has a very big oval shape. And then this is the cooling tip where you can touch. And this will be the power button. We have the cool, low, and high. The swivel cord here. Alright, let's try. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's cool. It's low. It's high. I just got home from work. I had the time to dye my hair black because it's New Year. Happy New Year, by the way, guys. So I think it's only 5 minutes. My hair is already dry from the high setting. Okay, so my hair is really dry now. I think I don't know how to use it. Okay guys, so we are done. I don't know if I did it correctly. I love it. I mean, my hair is a little bit flat usually when I dry it. Honestly, this is not how my hair looks like blow dried. When I dry my hair, it's just really flat. After using the TNS blowout brush, it kind of gives this certain volume, not as boring as the straight hair. It has a personality straight because as you brush it has heat. So sort of going to have a certain shape, depends how you use it. Yeah, the only thing about this one is because since I have long thick hair, I found it really painful to grip this part. You'll see my palm is a bit red. It took 10 minutes to dry everything. Yeah, you see how shiny it is. It looks like at the back and the side and the front, but it really depends how you style it. My hair is like freestyled everywhere. At least it's not like flat. My hair is either flat, wavy, or curly. So it saves time in the salon, right? You blow dry your hair, and then after that they kind of do more heating, straightener or a curler. I think it's really convenient to have this product. I like it, like what I say. Very shiny, very bouncy. It delivered what it promised. Red carpet blowout. So I would really recommend this for you to save time. Okay, what I didn't like about this product, imagine me like gripping this handle. I didn't like the handle. But I think they can't do anything. It will cause your arms to numb, also your hands to be sore. So that's what I felt. 10-15 minutes like that, it was just too much for me. I had to stop from time to time because I had to rest. Seriously. Other than that, yeah, I found it really interesting. If you have a straight hair like mine, the straight Asian hair, it's really nice. It will have a nice finish. Not boring, full of volume, full of bounce. I think I like it. It's just that, I always use my flat iron and my curling iron. Plus the blow dry, of course. Oh, I also have the straightening brush. But this one's something else. The straightening brush, the difference is that it's more natural. But still, it's like flat. This one's like volumized. I need more practice maybe when it comes to styling. Buy this one from their store or online. Yeah, thank you so much TNS for giving me this one and sponsoring this video. Sorry it took time for me to create a review. I really appreciate TNS products. I think I'm gonna buy more. Not only because they gave this for free, but also their products are really good, like value for money. Very affordable. I mean, it's affordable, not very. If you are interested to buy this one, I'll link everything below. Make sure to get TNS Blowout Brush. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and thank you TNS. I'll see ya!